Drill a pilot hole in the post. Then screw the hanger bolt into the hole. A socket driver, hand or power drill driven, will make the job easier. Turn the lock nut onto the machine threads. Mark the cable from the front edge of the fitting, in accordance with the instructions included with the fittings. Cut the cable at the mark with a cable cutter. Slide the body of the fitting onto the cable. Swedge the ferrule onto the cable. See the instructions for swedging ferrules if this is the first time you have swedged our fittings onto cable. Then turn the body onto the threads until it is finger tight. Finish tightening the cable by gripping the cable with cable gripping pliers and turning the body with an open-end wrench until the cables are tight. Tighten the lock nut against the body.